Are you dreaming of transforming your small backyard into a serene getaway? A cozy patio can be your ideal escape, a sanctuary to unwind after a long day, or a perfect spot to host intimate gatherings. Whether you have a compact urban space or a quaint suburban yard, the right patio ideas can maximize your space and elevate its charm. Let's dive into some creative and practical ideas that can turn your backyard into a perfect haven. In a small backyard, every piece of furniture matters. Go for multifunctional items like benches with hidden storage or foldable chairs that can be stowed away when not in use. Bistro sets work wonders in tight spaces, offering a stylish yet compact solution for dining al fresco. Consider incorporating furniture with weather-resistant materials to ensure durability. Wicker, teak, and powder-coated metals are excellent options that combine style with resilience. Plants are the heartbeat of any outdoor space. In a small patio, vertical gardening is your best friend. Install wall planters, hang pots, or create a living wall for a lush green backdrop. For a low-maintenance approach, opt for succulents, herbs, or ornamental grasses. And if you love a burst of color, seasonal flowers like petunias or marigolds can make your patio pop with vibrance. Transform your patio into a magical escape with the right lighting. String lights are a classic choice, adding a soft glow that feels cozy and inviting. Solar-powered lanterns and LED candles are excellent for eco-friendly lighting solutions. Want to make a statement? Install a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Not only do they provide warmth for chilly evenings, but they also create a captivating focal point. If you're enjoying these tips and haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing backyard transformation ideas. Hit that like button and share your favorite patio ideas in the comments below. Your engagement keeps us inspired to bring you more fantastic content. Decor elements tie your patio together and infuse personality. Think colorful outdoor rugs, weatherproof throw pillows, or a charming patio umbrella for shade. Mirrors can also be a game changer, creating the illusion of more space and adding a touch of elegance. Your backyard patio should be a reflection of you. Add personal touches like a DIY garden sculpture, framed outdoor art, or even a small water feature for the soothing sound of trickling water. These details make your patio feel truly special. Adapt your patio for all seasons. Add cozy blankets and a small heater for winter, or invest in a shade sail and fans to keep cool during summer. Seasonal adaptability ensures your patio remains functional year-round. No matter the size of your backyard, a well-designed patio can serve as your private oasis. From choosing the perfect foundation to adding personal decor, every detail contributes to the space's charm and functionality. Start small, dream big, and create a retreat that you'll never want to leave. Thank you for joining us on this journey to patio perfection. If you've enjoyed these ideas, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Here's to transforming your backyard into the perfect escape.